So imagine guys, if you have a camera that is this size, it's easy to put in your pocket. Yeah. So anywhere go, you're ready to vlog. And of course, you have already your stand. Flip screen. You can flip from up. Okay. Screen. You have your mini stand. So, good to go. And you can start your vlogging. Okay, let's go with the settings from the camera. Okay. I'm already in video mode, which is manual video mode. Okay, let's check the settings. I'm recording at okay, see the settings. 4K 24p. Yeah, we're recording with the 24p, and our shutter is double, so 1:50. We have aperture f2.8. It's okay to use f2.8 because I will focus only my face, of course. ISO, we can use the lowest ISO ever. So 160. Autofocus, yeah. Face tracking already on. And yan. Okay, so filter off. I'll not use any filter. Just the normal color from the Canon, from the camera. And yeah, good to go. And let's start our vlogging using this Canon Powershot V10.
So this is how easy to use the Canon Powershot V10. So we're using the camera without any wireless or any microphone. So this is the built-in microphone of the camera. So and easy to use. Yeah, and yep, we have already a mini stand. So it's nice quality.
Pwede rin kaya pang live.
Oh, live. Maganda rin sa live yan.
Natayo na kasi na. Tanggalin ko to. Hindi ko makita. Sabi ko, Ma'am Jen.
Nabenta na ba kanina, sir?
Nakabenta na si ano.
Random for the transfer to access.
Kuha na naman siya ng camera. Hindi naman natitigil Pati si Ernesto konti-unti pero pero linggo-linggo.
Hello guys, what's up once again? For today's vlog, I'm going to take over Rafi Sam Still channel to review this Powershot V10 camera. This is a 4K 30 frames camera video. This is the best for now for vlogging. Very compact and very easy to use. And wherever you go, you can vlog because this is just like a mobile. Especially when you do vlog here in Middle East, it's very strict, and nobody will notice that you are using 1-inch sensor. So this is a 1-inch sensor camera, and now I'm using 4K 30 frames video. See, and it has a focus tracking, pace tracking, very good. Maybe I will switch my Osmo Action camera for vlogging because I'm do vlogging also regarding here in Filipino community in Kuwait. So maybe I will switch to Powershot V10, more bigger sensor. Then now we're going to use this camera also for do some montage. Let's see the quality montage to show you in your blog. The best thing also for this camera, this is a touchscreen camera, Canon Powershot V10. So you can set very quick the settings, exposures of your camera wherever you go. Aside for the best feature of this camera, you can do Instagram vlogging. You can make it vertical position to do some real videos, stories in Instagram or in Facebook. See, very quick. That's it.
Power off.
Focus ala kazam. Oh.
See,
So that's all guys for this vlog review with Canon PowerShot V10. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Palaboy OFW here in Kuwait, and then Rapisam Still Pinoy Vloggers in Kuwait 2.0. See you.
and that's it for today's vlog, guys. So again, this is the quality, video quality and sound quality of the Canon PowerShot V10. So thank you to Palaboy OFW. Shout out, please check channel of Palaboy OFW sa mga kabayan natin dito sa Kuwait. At sa
Iniwan mo na kasi dinandan ni yung babae.
shout out to Palaboy OFW. Shout out to Palaboy OFW and Tiki Tiki for baby. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Canon PowerShot V10, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Sir, say hi to India.
Say hi to India.